When you're thinking about vehicle infotainment, we're really talking about how you interact with your car on a daily basis. It touches almost every aspect of your personal life and your family's. And we take this so seriously here at Hamilton Motor Company. Here at Hamilton Motor Company, we sell replacement infotainment systems that are designed with the latest technology and backed by a team that really cares. From the design and concept phase, we've employed some of the greatest engineers in this industry around the world, and we make sure that we're constantly offering you the latest and best technology on the market. When it comes to manufacturing, we've employed some of the quality control and rigorous procedures of the biggest industry players, with the intention that our products will stand the test of time. And from when you place an order on the website to when it arrives at your doorstep, it's backed by our talented technical support team. Our technical support team is experienced in working on cars, and they seriously care about helping you. You can reach us by phone call or email. You see, we have a vision that one day you're going to be able to buy a new vehicle in the United States, and it's going to come with a state-of-the-art technology system designed by Hamilton Motor Company. That means we're not just an aftermarket company, we're in it for the long haul, and we want to earn your trust time and time again. So who are we? We are
compassion,
integrity,
stewardship,
genuine care,
moving forward.
Hamilton Motor Company.